Good morning, guys. I'm supposed to go to work, but if you can see, there's a snowstorm here, and my car is buried in the snow in our front yard. I cannot even go out. Stay safe, guys. From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. there's still 100% snow, and the bus for Durham region for school bus is cancelled, so stay safe, guys. It's not safe to drive. Hey guys, this is what happened. It's morning here, and this is our car. I already started shoveling here. We're gonna shovel more. Ivy needs to go out and pee. Ivy, are you gonna help me shovel the snow? Okay guys, I'm gonna shovel the snow.
Hey guys, I'm gonna shovel the snow with Ivy. Ivy? Look at me.
Here's Ivy. Ito pa lang yung natapos ko, guys. Hey guys, if you see, look at this. I've been shoveling for 30 minutes now. If you can see, I shoveled our front yard. Ito pa lang. And is this? How thick is it? Guys, napaka-thick talaga. If you can see, halo-halo na. Look at the ice.